If you're enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry, you can use Brand Tailored Promotions BTP to create exclusive percentage off promotions for specific customer groups who follow your brand or have purchased your products. Each audience must have at least 1,000 customers to be eligible. When creating a promotion, you'll start by selecting your brand and choosing a goal. Your goal reflects what you want to achieve, whether that's acquiring new customers, retaining existing ones, re-engaging customers who've stopped buying, or cross-selling complementary products. Next, you'll decide which products to include. You can add your entire brand catalog, exclude specific products, or include only specific products. If you're targeting specific products and your audience size falls below 1,000 customers, add more products to increase the audience size. Once you've selected your goal and products, you'll see eligible audiences under the given goal. For example, if you're looking to improve your conversion rate, then your goal could be to acquire new customers. You may notice potential customers added one of your products to their Amazon cart but didn't make a purchase, so you would want to consider a promotion for the brand cart abandoners audience. If you're looking to build long-term customer relationships, then your goal could be to retain existing customers. You may notice your highest spending customers haven't purchased recently, so you would want to consider a promotion for the high-spend customers audience. If you're noticing a decline in purchases from previously active customers, then your goal could be to re-engage customers. You may observe some customers haven't bought recently or frequently, so you would want to consider a promotion for the at-risk customers audience. If you're looking to increase the variety of products customers buy from you, then your goal could be to cross-sell. You may see that customers bought complementary products, but not your selected products, so you would want to consider a promotion for the complementary products remarketing audience. You'll then set your promotion details. Give your promotion a name to help you identify it later. Customers won't see this name. Enter a discount percentage, then set a budget. Your promotion will go offline when redemptions reach 80% of your budget. Finally, you'll choose your start and end dates. Each customer can redeem the promotion once. Your promotion will display on search and detail pages by default, but only to customers in your selected audience. Your brand-tailored promotions can combine with other promotions like deals and coupons. When a customer qualifies for multiple promotions, they receive the best discount available. For example, a 15% brand-tailored promotion and a $5 coupon on the same product will both apply. Customers see the highest value promotion first. For detailed guidance on how to create a brand-tailored promotion, go to the Create a Brand-Tailored Promotion help page in Seller Central.